I'm not doing a proper intro to this as it's literally a quick fix. All you need to do if you've got one of these is ease this out like that. Oh, that doesn't look very good at all. Hoping that this will push it out. No, I've got to fill this up with something so that this will go in. All you need to do to get that off is just push it up like this and it will pull off. So don't worry that you've got it stuck. I think what I'm going to do is I've got some card, wind that round there like that and see if that makes it big enough to go in there and hold. There is always a way of making something work. Aha! There we go. And hopefully, I'm pulling it up, it's not coming out. I managed to get these off Amazon. All I did was I measured from the width here or there to make sure I got the right size for the ball of the caster. They come in different sizes and you really need to make sure all of the sizes are correct. Otherwise you're going to have a wobbly chair. I might replace that one as well actually, because that does look a bit loose. This one seems to be the one that's okay, so I might just pop these three and do those as well, because that's nice and firm. There we go. It's sensible to do more if you can. I had to buy a set of 4 casters for the project. At least I know the best way to do this is to put the card around and then hammer it into place. The person would be very disappointed if I replace one and then next month has to come back because another one has given out. Technically I should probably do this one, but it seems when you look at the plate in there and that one doesn't have as much, so I think I'll be okay. There we go. There is always a way of working something out. And don't put too much on there because it will crumple and it won't work. These have little play and this has a little bit more, but it should be fine. I'm pleased with that. If she asks for this to be replaced, I can get that done quite quickly. Little quick fix. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the bell button and a few thumbs up. A few thumbs up would be brilliant. And in the meantime, see you later. Take care. Ciao.